everyone, welcome back to GK Today. And today we'll be discussing most important places that were in news in past 60 days. So these are the 14 categories in which we have divided all the important news and events. Until now we have covered 7 categories and today this is our 8th lecture. So if you want to attend our previous lecture, you can refer to our playlist that has been created on the channel. Okay. So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. Cumbre Vieja, an active volcanic ridge, is located in La Palma Island of which country? So this is an active volcanic ridge and is located in Spain's La Palma Island, which is a part of Canary Islands. Why it is in news? Because recently as the volcano started erupting, around 7,500 people have been forced to be evacuated. And as per the scientists, the eruption could continue for 3 more months. And the molten rock has already covered more than 866 hectares and has created severe damage. Also to remember that this island is based on tourism and banana plantations. Okay. Next question. I think this is a repeated question. Again, right answer is option number D, that is Spain. Now question number 3. With reference to Jayanagar-Kurtha cross-border rail link, in which country is Kurtha located? Why it is in news? Because Ercon International, on behalf of Government of India, has handed over the newly commissioned cross-border rail section from Jayanagar to Kurtha, which lies in Nepal, to the Government of Nepal. So under the grant assistance from Government of India, the work of Jayanagar, which lies in obviously India, to Barbidas, Nepal rail line project was undertaken by Ercon International, and the first phase of this Jayanagar-Kurtha section is a part of Jayanagar-Bijalpura-Barbidas rail link being built under grant assistance of NPR 8.77 billion. Okay, correct answer is option number A. Question number 4. Queen Hyo Wang Ok Memorial Park, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which country? So this park, which was earlier known as Ram Katha Park, is situated on the banks of Saryu River in Ayodhya. Now it is being renovated. So after it is inaugurated on 4th of November, this will be known as Queen Hyo Wang Ok National Park, and it is named after a Korean queen who is believed to have been born Princess Suri Ratna of Ayodhya, who was the daughter of King Padma Sen and Indumati. Just sort of extra information. Who was Padma Sen? He ruled the kingdom of Kosala, which is a region which extended from present-day Uttar Pradesh up to Odisha. Okay, so correct answer is option number B. Question number 5. Mulla Periyar Dam, located in Kerala, is in control of which state? So this dam is located in the state of Kerala, but it is in control of Tamil Nadu. So there has been a long dispute since it presents a threat to lakhs of people living downstream in Kerala, and it irrigates over 2 lakh hectares in 5 districts of Tamil Nadu. So recently the Supreme Court has directed that the maximum water level in Mulla Periyar Dam should be 139.5 feet until 10th of November, and the dam is located in the upper region of Periyar River, which originates in Tamil Nadu and flows into Kerala. Fine. Question number 6. Cook Strait, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which country? So Cook Strait separates the North and South Islands of New Zealand, and it connects the Tasman Sea on the northwest with the South Pacific Ocean on the southeast. So recently what happened is Friedman, who founded the company Electric Air, crossed the strait for the very first time in an electric plane. And this 40 minutes solo flight was held 101 years after the first person flew a conventional aircraft over the strait. Okay, so that's why it was in news. Correct answer is option number A. Question number 7. A glacier located in which region has been named as Glasgow Glacier to mark the COP26 summit. So a glacier in Antarctica has been formally named as Glasgow Glacier in honor of the city hosting the United Nations Climate Summit that was held recently. So this 100 kilometers long body of ice, which has been experiencing rapid melting, was named by a team of researchers at the University of Leeds to mark COP26 of United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Okay. Question number 8. Mandakini River, which was seen in the news recently, starts in which state? So this river is a tributary of Yamuna River and it starts in Madhya Pradesh, Satna district and flows into the Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh, Chitrakoot district. So this river was in news because encroachment, concretization and pollution are causing severe damages to the river. Okay. Question number 9. Metalophy, which is a traditional plant found to rival ibuprofen, is seen in which country? So as per a new research, a plant in Samoa called Metalophy could be as potent as ibuprofen. And the Samoa plant was traditionally used to treat fevers, body aches and ghost sickness. So as per the study, it could rival ibuprofen for its anti-inflammatory properties. Okay. Now question number 10. Garud Chatti Bridge, which was recently inaugurated, is located in which Indian state? So the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has recently laid foundation stones for multiple projects worth 180 crore rupees and he dedicated to the nation various development projects in Kedarnath, including this Garud Chatti Bridge on river Mandakini. Also he inaugurated Sri Adi Shankaracharya Samadhi and unveiled the statue of Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Okay, correct answer is option number B. Question number 11. Freetown, which was seen in the news recently, is the capital city of which country? So at least 98 people have died after a massive explosion when a fuel tanker collided with a lorry in the city of Freetown, which is the capital of Sierra Leone. This is a country in West Africa located on the Atlantic Ocean. And Sierra Leone's National Disaster Management Agency has announced that the vehicles collided when the tanker was entering a nearby filling station to discharge its fuel. Okay. Question number 12. Lakhimpur Kheri, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which state? First of all, why it is again in news? Because recently the Supreme Court has expressed dissatisfaction over the investigation in the cases relating to the incidents that happened in Lakhimpur Kheri on 3rd of October. Also, the court proposed to appoint a retired judge to oversee the probe till the charge sheet is filed, and 8 people, including the farmers, were killed in violence during a farmers' protest in Lakhimpur Kheri case. Also, Justice Hima Kohli of the bench suggested the names of retired Justice Ranjit Singh from Punjab and Haryana High Court and J. Rakesh Kumar Jain. Question number 13. Bhupal Palli, which topped the most improved aspirational districts in the education sector for September, is located in which state? So Niti Aayog has recently announced the top 5 most improved aspirational districts in the education sector for the month of September. And Bhupal Palli district in the state of Telangana has topped this ranking. Further, it was followed by Chhatra and Sahibganj in Jharkhand, Nuapada in Odisha and Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So these were the top 5 states. Okay. Question number 14. Deocha Pachami Harin Singha Devanganj, which is the world's second largest coal block, is located in which Indian state? So this is the world's second largest coal block that was allocated to West Bengal by the central government. And why it is in news? Because recently West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has announced a compensation package of 10,000 crore rupees for the people who would get displaced or affected due to the Deocha Pachami coal mine project in Birbhum district of West Bengal. Question number 15. Sakhalin Island, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? So this island is a Russian island located north of Japan, and recently Russia has launched a forest plan to be implemented in this particular island. So the authorities of Sakhalin Island, which has more than 2/3 as forest, have set an ambitious goal of making the island carbon neutral by the year 2025. And later the results of the experiment in Sakhalin Island will be applicable to the whole Russian Federation. Fine. Question number 16. Where is the Sela tunnel being constructed? So this tunnel is the world's longest bi-lane road tunnel being constructed by Border Roads Organization in the state of Arunachal Pradesh near the Indo-China border. And the tunnel is being constructed at a height of 13,800 feet above the mean sea level. So this tunnel would provide all-weather connectivity to Tawang, and it would enable better men and material movement to line of actual control. Correct answer is option number D. Question number 17. Seahorses, eels, seals and sharks have been found in which famous river of the world which was declared biologically dead? So the Thames River of London, which was once declared to be biologically dead, is not found to have these species, and this inhabition by aquatic life has been confirmed in a survey conducted by Zoological Survey of London, which stated that 3 kinds of sharks were seen and 115 species of fish and wildlife were observed. Okay. Question number 18. Where is the Rezang La mountain pass situated? So this is a mountain pass on the line of actual control, which is situated in eastern Ladakh. And this is known for the Battle of Rezang La as a part of 1962 war, in which 13 troops of the Indian Army's Kumaon Regiment defeated several waves of the Chinese army at a height of over 16,000 feet. So correct answer is option number A. Question number 19. India's Bhadla Solar Park, the largest solar power park, is located in which state? So this is the largest solar power park in the world, and this is located in Bhadla, which is a dry region in Rajasthan. And the solar park spans 14,000 acres, and there are over 10 million solar panels at the park, which together contribute to an operational capacity of 2,245 megawatt. And this was commissioned in the year 2020. Question number 20. The recently inaugurated Rani Kamlapati station is located in which state? So recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the revamped Rani Kamlapati station, which is the India's most modern railway station in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. So this railway station was previously known as Habibganj, and now it has been renamed as Rani Kamlapati of Girnorgarh. And the station has been redeveloped at a cost of around 450 crore rupees in the public-private partnership mode. And it has been revamped as a hub for integrated multimodal transport and also as a green building. Okay. So correct answer is option number B. Question number 21. Bhagwan Birsa Munda Smriti Udyan cum Freedom Fighters Museum has been recently inaugurated in which Indian state? So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated this museum in Ranchi via video conferencing. So Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar on the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, who was the 19th century freedom fighter and tribal leader on 15th of November 2000. And the state's chief minister Hemant Soren launched a universal pension scheme also for vulnerable sections to mark the state's foundation day. Okay, correct answer is option number B. And now coming to last question, where is India's first food museum launched? So the Union Minister for Commerce and Industry, Mr. Piyush Goyal, has virtually inaugurated the India's first food museum at Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. And the museum has been developed jointly by Food Corporation of India and Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum at a project cost of around 1.1 crore rupees. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked the session. These were the important places that were in news in past 60 days. Now we will meet very soon with our next category. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, me Nuzhat Sana signing off.